In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you create your MyPanini personalized sticker or card. Let's get started. First, download the MyPanini app, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now browse the available initiatives, example FIFA World Cup, FIFA 365, Adrenaline XL or regional sports leagues. Choose whether you want to create a sticker or a trading card template. Upload a high-resolution, clear, close-up portrait from your device or capture a new photo directly using your camera. Avoid wearing turtlenecks if you intend to overlay a virtual team jersey. Crop, zoom, and align your photo within the official template boundaries. Input personal text fields such as your first name, surname, birth year, or position. Select digital team jerseys, club logos, or backgrounds depending on the available template option. Review your finalized design and click on Create Add to Cart. Select your desired physical print quantities, enter your shipping address, and complete your payment securely. And that's it. This is how you can easily create your Panini personalized sticker or card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.